Nanganak ka ba?
I'm sorry?
Nanganak ka ba?
Ano pang katawan na
Grabe, no?
Oo, nanganak ako. Hindi lang wala na sa damit na to, pero promise talaga nanganak ako.
Mahilig ka rin talaga sa alahas.
Yes. And actually, any type of jewelry, talagang pag binigay sa akin, I really cherish it.
Oo. And maipapamana mo kay Rose.
Kay Rosie, oo. Yun talaga pinaka-importante. Actually, whenever I purchase something, I really think about it and I make sure ito worth it talaga. Para din, pag pinasok ko yung budget, talagang alam ko investment siya. And alam ko, actually more than the investment factor, it's more of like, yung sentimental value. Yun ang pinaka-importante sa akin. Kaya din ako siguro nag-ganyan kasi yung mga pieces na pinibili ko, like itong earrings ko, sobrang dream ko to. Simula ng bata pa ako. Simula na nagsimula ako magtrabaho, sabi ko talaga, dream ko talaga makabili ako ng stud earrings na talagang sa akin. So, pinag-iipunan ko talaga siya. Yes. And Manalagay mga studio helped me get the best deal out there. So, sila talaga nag-source ko.
So, yan ang first, mo pala, jewelry from your career.
Actually, not naman first, but it's my biggest purchase ever from Manalagay.
So, what advice can you give to others na, ambawa, young people just starting out of the careers on investing in jewelry? How do they go about it? And how do they start?
You know, it doesn't matter if it's super big or if you really want just a simple pair of earrings or just a dainty piece of jewelry. What's really important is yung kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. And you really start from somewhere. Kasi ako, when I was younger, ano yan habang nagmamature ka, habang mag-grow ka, lumalaki din na lumalaki yung pangarap mo. So, nung bata pa ako, sabi ko, kahit maliit lang na pair of earrings, talagang i-achieve ko yun. So, you know, I started from 0.10 carats nga lang yan. 0.10 ano ba tawag ko? 0.10, di ba? 0.10. Super liit lang talaga. And then I was so proud of that. I still am. It's still with me. Si Rosie na yung nagsusuot nila. And hanggang sa lumaki na rin. Lumaki. Hanggang sa ito talaga sabi ko, one day, ma-achieve ko din yan. It really took me...
Can you describe that? Your stud? Ilang carats?
4 carats. J color. So talaga sabi ko, gusto ko J, Jessie talaga. And yun, sabi ko talaga, one day I will be able to achieve that. It wasn't easy. I mean, I really waited, I really saved a lot. And because my priorities din naman ako. Kaya sa agad-agad mabili ko lahat ng gusto ko. But finally, when I got these, talaga sabi ko, thank you talaga. I was able to save. I was able to achieve itong pair of earrings. Talagang pinaghirapan.
So you were saying it took you how many years?
Oh my gosh! Ano ba? Half of my life? Kasi nag-start lang naman ako mangarap ng jewelry nung alam ko may potential ako nung nagkatrabaho lang naman ako, di ba? I mean,
anong age mo nito?
I was 20 or 21. So talagang a decade talaga. Save lang ako na save. Sabi ko, one day ma-achieve ko din yan. So finally, I actually just bought these last year. So,
how do you take care of your jewelry?
I clean them. I make sure na I store them in a very safe place. And, yun.